everyone, nice to meet you again. Have you seen a bird flying in the sky? And look at this picture. You see the birds are flying in the sky. And how does a bird fly? Now you know what is a bird. Let's learn. A bird is an animal with feathers, wings, beak, and a tail. Birds can fly high by using their wings. They have 2 legs. They live on the tree or net and eat fruits, insects, seeds, grass. Let's learn some birds. Let's see some birds like eagle, pigeon, penguin, duck, parrot, owl. Let's see a bird. What's this? Eagle. This is an eagle. It can fly very high in the sky and eat snake and rabbit and next bird. What's this? Pigeon. This is a pigeon. A pigeon is gray color. And which bird is this? Penguin. This is a penguin. And now, which bird is this? Duck. This is a duck. Next one. What's this? Parrot. This is a parrot. A parrot is green in color. And the last bird is owl. This is an owl. I hope you enjoyed learning about birds today. Goodbye. Till next time. Bye bye.